Alright, Micromaw Dude here again. And basically, today's election day, or the day after the election day. And I wanted to go up and check out the surrounding area in Orange County, California to see...
Takeoff.
Oh, I forgot to get it going here. Alright, see how it looks up in the sky. Let's see what we got over here. So it looks like we're still a bit hazy up towards the hills area. Look at that. So there was fires last week, and there's fires all over there. Oh, there's an airplane coming here. Let me bring it lower. Gotta lower it down because I'm really close to an airplane. I'll see if you can see it there. That thing just passed right over me. It's over my horizon there. See it there passing now? This thing doesn't point up, so I can't go that much higher. But look at that, there's still fires all over there. Just have to at least get over the freaking... Okay, there we go. I can't go much too higher. So it's still burning somewhere over there. Look at how full of smoke it is. That's in the Riverside area towards past Irvine. Wait, that's where there was a really bad fires before. And then it's still hazy over here to the left. That's towards past La Habra, looking that way. Then if we go this way, this is towards LA. And LA, not as bad because the fires are really burning on this side over here. So let's see how the traffic looks here. Alright, and look at the traffic there. Yeah, not too bad. Light traffic. Of course, it should be rush hour traffic right now, but because of the pandemic, look at how light the traffic is still. Really light traffic. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Too bad I'm not working anymore, or else I'd be driving in that. But look at the sun though, nice glow from the sun there. And let's go back over here and let's see what we have. Okay, so that's probably pretty much it. I just wanted to get a quick video of the day after the elections in Orange County, California, 2020, November 4th, I believe it is. And there you go. You know, nothing too exciting here, but a little bit of smoke. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, because I bet you, well, we'll see what happens, but see that direction there towards LA? We'll see what happens in the next couple days or in the next couple weeks, because this might be all on fire. LA's boarded up all their buildings and they're ready for major riots. So we'll see what happens. Keep your eyes peeled. Keep your surroundings wide open, because people on both sides want to kill each other. We're living in dangerous times like I've never seen before. So stay safe and guard yourself at all times. I carry a pocket knife because you never know who might try to creep up on me just because of the color of my skin or the color of my hair, you know. And be safe, be strong, and until next time, peace out.